They're showing off. No, you wouldn't.
Well, they're harmless.
Are they?
They're not like stingrays. A lot of people from the Manta Rays.
Right there at us. It's cool to see, don't you think?
Very cool. Very cool, Ethan. It is.
We'll never get to see one of these in the wild. Big Manta Ray.
Well, I haven't. I've seen them out of Karratha, but not playing like this.
Yeah.
They're just swimming along. This is almost like a humpback, the way it's playing. Or
No, they
feeding.
feel like that to feed.
Yeah.
Oh, it's awesome to see. So close. I wonder how close you can actually get. You'd probably be able to get close enough.
I'm trying not to scare it.
Yeah.
The electric motor.
I just saw his eyeballs.
Cool, Ethan.
Cool. That's how they feed, Kev. Probably having lunch
Right next to us.
right next to us. Imagine.
Come up now, buddy.
Do it. Going up. Right there.
Trying to get him away from the mangroves.
He's away from mangoes. I think it's a true. Yeah.
Trevally.
Yeah.
Rally.
Just a little one. That got double hooked up. Went to the mouth. Try and keep the end of your rod out of the water.
Yeah, I know.
See this lip?
Go.
Fishy, bishy. Well, you caught us a bit of dinner.
Kev's little trevally.
Yeah, he's not a big one, but hey, we haven't been getting much, so we'll take.
I think he got off.
Oh, I'm on. I'm on.
Mine's off, yes. Mine jumped off the board.
Jumped off. Kevin's on now. Well, at least we'll get a future trevally.
I'm gonna flick.
No, just wait till we get this one in first.
No, I'm gonna flick that
And then I'll just turn around and we'll go back. Oh, well, that lure works alright. That little goldy, silvery one that we found, Ethan.
This guy's one is caught over rod. You're using bigger rod then. Make it easier for you. There's other fish there. So leave it in the water so we can catch more fish.
Stay on your side of the boat, Ethan.
Two down.
Two down. Yeah, but this is better. This reads
I'm on. I'm on.
GT, GT. This is where I
wind
use
in,
to catch
Ethan.
GT.
Out the side and wind in.
There's a better fish too.
Yeah, probably a GT could be.
Because this is where we usually catch them.
It depends if you get a side hook up there.
Or a rear hookup. Barracuda.
Oh, it is too.
There's some seal liner. You've only ever caught them here or you've only ever caught them here or yeah.
Last one was the worst one. Trying to jump in the bloody boat.
Yeah, he sure was the worst. He tried jumping in the boat. Once I saw it, I was like, barracuda.
Alright, Ian, sit back home, will you?
Because these things try jumping in the boat with you. They do.
We'd like this lure back though.
Yeah. No, I'll get the lure back.
You just slice his throat.
What's the plan?
Slice his
I
throat.
just don't want it in the boat.
Yeah.
Slice his throat.
Well.
Lure back.
Use the bommy knuckle
Right,
on it.
they're not even any good for eating. Like, they're nice to eat, but they got a disease in them up here.
That's meat, longer than a meat that one is. Big fish. Biggest fish I reckon you've ever caught.
Look at the big fish next to him. Shark.
Is there?
Shark. A little hammerhead under there.
Oh, really?
Swimming around.
Yeah.
Green colour.
We're sure there's. Oh, it is. No, it's a big GT. Monster.
Yeah, you want me to hold on that, Kevin? Flick your lure out.
We're sure that's a barracuda, aren't we?
It is definitely a barracuda.
Is it a shark? It's a shark.
No, that's a GT.
That's a GT. I think there.
Big fuck.
Just throw your lure out
I
of it.
can't. Hello.
Here.
Caught in the eye.
Untangle
I
it.
can't. It's impossible to. Yeah, right up in. I'll get Kev to.
Tiring out of me.
Yeah, I was part of what I was figuring. It's a good sized barracuda.
What else can
Leave him in the water. I'm going to try catch the GT. There's the GT. It was a big flipping GT. I was hoping to catch him. Probably a mid GT. There he is again.
Oh, look at the set of teeth on.
I know. They're crazy damn things. You want me to open that esky for you? There's a nice piece of meat on it though.
Yeah, but quite poisonous.
Ooh, big bite. Come on.
Run!
Yeah, I'm on to him. Pulls like a freight train.
He's pulling the boat.
Big
That
flipper.
thing's big, so
Don't take your thing too tight. Don't get your spool too tight. No, I'm just trying to. I'm
He's
just
in the
going
mangies.
backwards slowly.
Yeah, but pull.
Just hold him there. Is he still peeling line up?
Yeah,
Pulling him.
he's going to end up those mangroves if he doesn't tighten up that.
Yeah, but he'll snap the line up.
Yeah, he will too. It's a balancing act,
Just
isn't it?
going backwards.
Nah, he's lost him.
Lost it.
Lost.
Big flipper.
Yeah, that was a big one. That was always going to be a challenge. And he did put it into the man. He's right over the trees.
Whoa, whoa. He would have pulled me overboard if I didn't get down on him.
Have you even still got the lure?
Still got the lure on there?
Look at those teeth showing.
Yeah.
You need help or you're right?
I'm just trying to tire him out a bit,
Yeah.
because we had one the other week and he nearly jumped in the big boat.
And I got that one. I've caught two of them.
Just get that hook out.
He's nearly busted it off.
Busted off. You should have let him give it another yank.
That's what I like about this place, is I can hear the birds, I can hear the water. Just makes the serenity nicer.
It is a nice spot.
Yeah, why would you want to be anywhere else?
Fish and crabs.
Yep.
And amazing sunsets.
Yep. It doesn't get, I don't really going to get much better than that.
Had a few kids, bought a new house, promised you heaven, but it never did work out. Got a new job and moved uptown. I bought you everything, you never questioned why. All this time I waited for a season where everything felt right. All the different phases and the reasons to make it all worthwhile. My best kept secret is I never loved you quite enough. There in the moment, in my white dress, an overwhelming second of regret. Driving on a freeway with no exit signs, losing control and speeding faster than light. All this time I waited for a season where everything felt right. And all the different phases and the reasons to make it all worthwhile. My best kept secret is I never loved you quite All this time I waited for a season.
Hey guys, this is our first full attempt at using our new water bladder. So we've filled the water bladder up. It's a 100-litre water bladder, and I'm running our full hose out of the bladder using the height of the canopy to give us gravity, and running that straight to our tank, and it's working well. This is awesome because it just takes us from 100 litres that we used to only carry in the motorhome. Now we've got 100 litres in our collapsible containers, and now we actually have another 100 litres in the water bladder. It gives us 300 litres of water. That makes a massive difference for us, and we've been here free camping now for 10 days.
Yep.
And it just opens up so many more doors for us. And because it's a bit warm up here, we're actually showering pretty much every night and morning, so going through a little bit of water. But this is working well. Transfer is a little bit slow. That's to be expected. That's okay. We're not using a water pump. We could do that. That might be an option for the future. But at the moment, so far, looks like it's all going well with the bladder. Hey guys, well, we've come up the beach this afternoon for a bit of a look around, and there's actually been a fair bit of activity all throughout this morning. We've just had a lot of army helicopters, we've had planes in the air, we've got fires over the back of us here You probably can't see, but up the beach a bit further there's some army guys, and you can see a lot of smoke around in the air. So there's a little bit happening here on the beach. You can see just here on the beach also an old car wreck. Unfortunately, sometimes you come down on these beaches, and if you don't do the right thing, that's what's going to end up happening. Now, the beach here at Gunpoint, you get to this stage and you can see it's blocked off with these buoys. So you can't drive any further down this beach towards Shoal Bay. And there's a good reason for that. And just a moment, I'm going to catch up with Adele, and she's going to tell us all about what it is that's up here. So we've got Ethan and Dylan with us. So why are we up this end of the beach? What's up here?
Mud lobster. Mud lobsters up here. Really? And you'll also find some croc poop like this.
That's some croc poop.
Yeah, that's croc dung.
Are you putting them in your pot?
Really?
Yeah.
Are you putting them in the
Wow.
I taste it.
What did it taste like? Croc
It's a
poop?
bit salty because it lives in the salt.
Salt water, yeah, for sure. What are we told? What's up this end?
The fossils.
What fossils?
Well, the other guys have found fossils with little tiny turtles in it, like ancient
Okay.
years and years and years
So
ago.
turtles.
Yeah.
Turtles
And also
and-
mud lobster.
Yeah,
That's
Mud
hard
lobster.
to
I
find.
saw a mud lobster
And
one,
you find a
photo of
fair
that.
bit of croc shit.
Okay, fair bit of croc shit and shells.
All of that washes up.
Yeah, there's lots of shells up here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
shit.
It's the fossils that have been
Loads.
Okay.
washed up from uncovered.
Eagles being active today too.
Not eagles, they're kites.
Kites,
That's
are
what
they?
they are.
Alright.
They pick up like little sticks that are on fire, ash like that, and they drop it in spots that aren't burned.
Listen, buddy, are you going to take over my YouTube channel?
No,
I think you are. You seem to know lots of stuff.
I do know a lot of things. I'm not after you.
You can come travelling with us and you can be my second mate. We can have a YouTube channel together.
I've already got a YouTube channel. So
Have you?
yeah.
Very cool. Ethan is very clever. He has seen a lot in his very young days, and he's experienced so much. So he's going to be quite a character as he grows older. And if he has a YouTube channel, I'm going to be subscribing, that's for sure. Up here on the beach at the high tide mark,
Yeah.
it's just so many shells.
Washes up all this. That's in the storms. It washes up in the wet.
Yeah.
In the wet during the storms up here at Gunpoint. This is what it looks like. It just does this. Everything washes up. Look at this
So
little
look.
fella. They can hurt, but I know this one.
Little hermit crab.
He can't get his claws far enough into my skin. They've got a very pricky end on their claws and on the end of their things. When they get the big ones really hurt because they have the most muscle.
Okay.
Wonder what this one will feel like. This is a bigger sized one. They usually, that's the normal size. That's medium. They get big, 10 times bigger than this. The medium sized
right
hurt.
out of there.
This is just a small. They get 10 times bigger than that.
Really?
Watch, I can pull him out.
No, don't pull him out. No, let him stay in his home. Yeah, let him stay in there.
I was trying to pat him.
Put him down softly. It's like a cone, isn't it? Does it look like an ice cream cone to you?
No, not that well.
No.
They just
Okay.
eat shell.
I thought it did. See, that's just me.
Mud lobster. Found a few mud lobsters at least. I'm still waiting to find a big turtle. Fossilized turtle. That's the one.
Ethan just loves their quad bike. He's so excited that the quad bike's come up.
Had to ride
You reckon it's your quad?
It is. Black Yamaha Grizzly.
Woohoo!
Yeah, and it's my dad riding it.
And by the way, high five for remembering your water bottle. Well done.
Yep, that's him.
Okay.
Getting clean. Dad. What is it doing?
What's that, Dylan?
It's the car.
It's a car. Doesn't look like a car.
It looks
What
like
happened to it?
it got flooded.
It got flooded.
Yeah, you can't get shells out of it.
Oh, don't touch it. It might be sharp now. Cut yourself. Don't touch any of it.
Yeah.
The fuel engine.
Yeah.
Your hand's already got blood on it.
It's a tank light.
We've
Tank light.
been having a bit of a joke. He was actually found a piece of broken glass, and he had the broken glass in his hands, hitting the shells, and so I looked at his hand, and it had pink paint or something on there. So I started stirring him, saying that he had blood. Yeah, what? What is it? What's that?
Tank.
The fuel tank.
A fuel tank? You're going to put some fuel in there, see if the car will start?
It's broken.
It's broken, but the car might start if we put some fuel in. Do you think it will?
The fuel gas thing is stuck.
Well, I guess it won't start then, huh? There's no tyres either, is there?
There's a wheel, but no tire.
Here it is, vehicle number 2. Oh! So here on the beach and further out at low tide as well, Mick tells me there's so many cars along this beach that over time have just been destroyed down here. You can see an engine sticking out, frame of the car. Well, this looks cool, Adele. What have we got happening?
We're doing roast pork again in the camp oven.
Okay.
So one's got the roast pork and the other one's got the veggies. So roast
Nice.
veggies.
Look at this campfire with this sunset in the background. That's pretty insane.
Yeah. It's really good.
Amazing.
So we checked it. I might just check it again.
All right. You've had a look at the...
Yeah.
How's the roast cooking?
Yeah, good. Coming on.
Listen to this.
Oh, it does look good.
So that's pretty good.
A bit warm.
Hot. Making my eyes water.
I'd just stick that onto a stick.
Mick actually
Okay,
pulled him away
come
from
back for
there.
a sec. What you taking that away for?
Because it's too hot close to the fire. Mick pulled him away before, and it's a mighty
It's
good
buried
idea.
under the ash.
Okay.
It's tricky to find.
So this is the veggies.
Yeah,
Let's have a look.
I'm just got to get some off so we don't get it in the food.
Oh yeah.
Not too bad.
Aren't they looking good?
Yeah, haven't tried them with a skewer, but I'll just keep
Okay.
cooking.
Perfect.
We're just going to do some greens on the stove, and I'll go make
I've
some
got some
gravy.
coconut to go with. If we eat it, I don't know yet.
Awesome. Well, is there anything better than cooking a roast on a fire with this sunset?
Not bad.
Darwin sunsets really are something else.
But watch out for that stuff.
Oh yeah, sorry, don't
That'll
you
burn
stick-
you.
In our next episode, the Manta Rays are back and put on a wonderful show. Mick and I head up the creek chasing bait fish and witness another extraordinary sunset.
No mullet. Deep.
Everyone goes fishing and they leave me the keys to the quote. Bad move. Bad move.